Hi children, hope that all are safe and healthy at home. Today we are going to discuss about impurities in water. Yeah children, there are some main sources of water. What are they children? Rainwater, rivers, ponds, lakes and wells. These are some of the main sources of water. Water from these mainly going to contain some such substances like sand, dirt and germs, which makes the water impure and thus it is unfit for the use. We cannot use this water for the daily purposes. Such substances are going to make some set of water dirty. These are called as impurities. There are mainly two types of impurities. They are soluble and insoluble impurities. Firstly, we will discuss about what is soluble impurities. These are the substances which dissolve in water. For example, salt and sugar dissolves in water, right? Insoluble impurities are the substances that do not dissolve in water. Examples like sand and petrol do not dissolve in water. Therefore, it is necessary to remove the impurities and purify the water to make it for the human consumption. Clear? There are certain different methods to remove the soluble and insoluble impurities from the water. Methods such as distillation, boiling, chlorination are used to remove the soluble impurities. I already said that two examples of soluble impurities are like salt and sugar. Clear? And these impurities also have like filtration, sedimentation and decantation are used to remove the insoluble substances from the water. Yeah children, let me also discuss about some methods of separation of impurities from the water. Firstly, we'll discuss about removing insoluble impurities from water. Insoluble impurities like sand, mud can be removed by sedimentation, decantation and filtration methods. Let me discuss about these three methods first. Sedimentation. Yeah children, when a mixture of water is insoluble, solid impurities are left to stand undisturbed. The heavy solid impurities settle down at the water. If you see, the heavy solid materials are fixed at the bottom and the clean water which is there are at the top. Clear children? This is called sedimentation. After this sedimentation, the clear water is there now on the top is poured into the another container. This is called decantation. Let me move to the topic of filtration children. Yeah, you know this one already. This is a process of separating the solid particles from the liquid medium. Using a filter paper medium is known as filtration. If you see here there are some set of solid particles. Here it is filter paper, liquid at the bottom. This is the process of filtration. Means it is going to separate the solid particles and liquid by using a filter paper is called filtration. In this filtration method, water with insoluble impurities are going to pass through this filter paper. There are some sort of a tiny pores in the filter paper. You can see here the tiny pores, and it mainly allows the water to pass through but block the impurities. Filtration is generally used to remove the light suspended impurities from the water. Yeah children, there are some of the applications of filtration in our daily life. You know already this is a vacuum cleaner which mainly filters the trap of dust particles. It is used at your homes, right? And water taps mainly used to filter the purify of water, and also coffee makers have filters to keep coffee grounds out of the coffee. Clear children? And one more example is air conditioner have the filter to trap the dust particles of the air. These are the some of the ways to remove the insoluble impurities from water. Dear children, I hope that everyone understood the topic of impurities in water, soluble and insoluble impurities with examples, and about sedimentation, decantation and filtration methods. Thank you. Have a nice day.